Hello everyone and welcome to the Dragon Code. In this video we will cover forms in HTML. So here I will first add new page forms.html and I will add title forms. To add form I need form tag and here inside form I can put form elements. Here you can see form elements that you can put inside form. Input, label, button, select, and so on. Okay, let's add some form elements inside this form. Label, username, input field, type text, another label, password, and another input field with type password. And then I will add one button with type submit. And I will add text in that button submit. You should either add ID or name attribute inside input element. So I will add ID, username, and this for attribute in label corresponds to ID attribute in input element. So I will copy this here. And for password, I will also add ID, password, and I will also add here for password. Action attribute in form means where you will go after you submit form. When I press this button submit. So I will go to my GitHub page and I can also change target just like with links. I will add blank to open this page in new tab. Now I will open this page. So this is form and everything is in same line. So I'm going to fix that. I will add break line here and here. And now it looks better. And when I click on submit button, my GitHub page will be opened in new tab. Let's try another form elements. I will now use select. So I'll first add a label, choose language, and then I will add select. Name lang, also ID lang and for lang. I will add colon here. And inside select element you put options. So I will add option 1 English, and English will be displayed. Then I will add other languages, German, German, Spanish, Spanish, and I will add one more, Italian, Italian. Let's open this page now. So this is select element. There are 4 options. By default, first option is selected, but you can change that with select attribute. So I will add, for example, in German, selected attribute. And now by default, German is selected. You can also display more than one option. with size attribute in select element. Now I will choose 2 and here are 2 now. I can choose also 3. Now 3 options are displayed. I can choose only one option, but I can change that with multiple attribute inside select element, and now I need to hold control key, and now I can select multiple options. Now I will use similar element called datalists. I'll first add break line here, and I will add the label animals, choose animal. Then I need input field. I don't need type, I need a list animals, and I will also add ID animals. And then I will add data list. It will have ID animals. And inside data list, I will add options. Option 1, cat. Option 2, dog. And option 3, hamster. But I have a problem here because I have two same IDs, and this cannot happen because ID must be unique. So I will change this to animal and here to animal. And let's now open this page. So this is data list, and here I have options: dog, cat, and hamster. This is all for this video. In next video I will cover other form elements, so if you like this video and want more videos like this, press like button and subscribe, and see you next time.